Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Honda Fit GP5. To start, please make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is turned on. Next, grab your mobile phone and ensure its Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable by other devices. On your Honda's multimedia screen, you will want to press the Home button, usually located on the top left, to access the main menu. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to and select the phone option. The system will then prompt you to add a new device. Confirm this by pressing Yes. Your Honda Fit system will now enter pairing mode, actively searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. You might see a message like Honda Car Kit or Hands-Free Link appear on your car's display, indicating it is ready to connect. Now turn your attention back to your mobile device. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, search for available devices. You should see your Honda's name appear, typically Hands-Free Link or Honda Car Kit. Select this name on your phone. Both your phone and the car's display will then show a 6-digit pairing code. Carefully compare these codes to ensure they match, then confirm on both devices to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, your Honda Fit will notify you that the Bluetooth connection is complete. The system may ask if you wish to synchronize your phone book and call history. You can choose yes or no. With your phone now paired, you can enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music directly through your car's audio system. Your phone should automatically reconnect each time you enter the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.